Chaser gang. Boom. Hey man, say man, this is an unexpected video. It's not a good video at all. As you can see by the thumbnail, something bad happened tonight, and it was really unfortunate. It shouldn't have never happened. However, I hope they get to the bottom of this and get their belongings back, because people work hard for everything, you know what I'm saying? They work hard for everything that they own, have. We work hard for these cars. We work hard for these cars. They don't look like this overnight, guys. We work hard to get our cars to look the way they look, to have them modded the way they're modded. But guys, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this video.
Yeah. So anything stolen from any other cars?
Yeah,
there's another one over here. It seems like it only hit the car that had fire on it.
Yeah, he had fire on.
Real interesting. Who knows? Maybe they know who it is. Now they got cameras here, and they got cameras here. The management here says only about coming here.
Alright gang, y'all see what's going on, man. TK's garage car has been broken into. The crazy part about it is blood. Blood. They ramshacked his car, which is crazy. Then on this side, they tried to pry it open or something, and they couldn't get in it, as you can see. So they went ahead and busted this window out. Alright guys, so my boy Kid car, it also got broken into, and it's messed up. It's really messed up. Damn David pulls up, as well as Heartbreak Kilo, guys. We're waiting on the police. He's trying to get the report right now. He's trying to see if he can get the cameras ran, footage, I guess. But it's a process, especially by it being Memorial Day weekend. He did say it's going to be a process to get that footage, so not sure. It's unfortunate that this has happened. It's really stupid. It's dumb as hell if you ask me. Like, whoever did it, like, that's really some roach stuff, man. That's not cool, man. People work hard for their cars and everything, man.
I've been in this town how many times? We ain't never had it. And the only cars that they broke into, every time only go live.
My shit, I'm gonna break into this shit. Like, where they have a hoop. No, I'm talking about the house. Oh shit. No, I'm just playing. No, but seriously, like that shit, bro, I would be mad. I would be way more mad. Like, that's such a. Like, you drove here too. What are you gonna do? Drive it back? Like, oh, alright, bro. Shit, I don't want to speak on. What an inconvenience, bro. It's not really.
For a drone, a gun, and a laptop.
So what? They took a drone from you?
They took a drone and his gun. And they took his drone and some AirPods.
They took AirPods? That's some fucking.
That makes niggas kids.
That's some grimy shit.
AirPods?
AirPods?
I better get a DM from you.
Hey. Find my AirPods.
They gotta open them first.
You gotta open them.
And now you about to get his fingerprints on here.
The blood over there has one in it too. Oh, if he gets one print, it's over with. It's over with for him. One print that don't match me on his car, it's over with him.
Right now, he's trying to get these fingerprints, and they popping up. They popping up.
That's one way we don't open our doors like that.
Problem is, all these fingerprints are smeared.
Gotcha. Good one.
That one.
Which one? This one? Oh, dang.
Oh,
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay. They're gonna work that magic with the twist.
Yeah, guys, he's trying to get the fingerprints on his car right now. Man, this is super crazy, gang. Man, this is ridiculous, y'all. Sucks. Seriously. Scratched it up right here. You got that one?
Did you have to pull something?
No, not yet. Right now, he's going ahead, applying pressure, getting that print off of his window. Then, wonder what he does with it. Okay. This is new to me.
Can't imagine you want to come back here to check on us, man.
Yeah, guys, this is crazy though, man. This is crazy. As you can see, he's trying to get these fingerprints off of this vehicle. It's blood, like I showed you before, on the vehicle. And he did let us know, like, these fingerprints are so smeared and smudged up. It's really hard to get it, but he got a good one off there. These no good, huh?
All smeared.
That look like a paw print. That's the blood. Okay, gang, he just swabbed the blood. Oh, man. He just swabbed the blood off of GK's car. Man.
Oh, on the window. they put their finger on the window while they were. Yep. So it's if they. I just can't get much. So I can show you what I got. All right, cool.
All right, gang. So as you can see, the officer is getting the reports from Kid and TK. Not sure what the outcome of this situation will be. It's unfortunate that they lost very valuable, important belongings. I need to bring awareness to the whole situation. It's something. It doesn't make sense. Like I said, they skipped 3 cars, hit one, skipped 2, hit another one. It's just crazy. But guys, enough of me ranting. I do appreciate y'all for coming through, checking out another video, man. Chase your dreams. Don't let nobody nothing stop you from what you trying to do and who you trying to become. We chasers, baby. We're going up all 2021, man. This breaking in the car thing, it ain't gonna stop nobody, man. It's just gonna make them grind even harder. That's the crazy part, man. But yeah, guys, with that being said,
I'm chasing
your
dreams.
girl
I'm chasing dreams. I'm chasing dreams.
Gio
I'm chasing dreams. 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 I'm chasing dreams.